Okay, Congress Party Sanjay Jha, Sushant Sareen joins us today. He's a senior fellow at the Vivekananda International Foundation. We'll have Sambit Patra join us in a while. Sushant Sareen, what do you make of, Modi's fairly unexpected comment? I don't know, you're the foreign policy expert, but many people felt by going to Tokyo and directly talking about Vistarvad, expansionism, that's a straightforward reference to China, isn't it? I mean, we didn't see this in 10 years of UPA. How dramatic is the difference?
No, I think the difference is very dramatic purely in terms of his style. He goes wherever he goes, whether it's to the neighborhood or this time around to Japan. He's almost like a rock star. He behaves like that. He breaks protocol. He meets with people. He connects with them. But even on the substance, I think we are seeing a bit of a difference. This was good diplomacy to some extent because it is very clear there are concerns about China's growing assertiveness. We don't want to have a kind of a tangle with the Chinese, but we are also not going to, lay down and play dead with them. So this is good diplomacy in the sense that you've sent out signals, and at the same time, you are also keeping your options open on how you balance behemoth like China on your borders.
Yeah.
And at the same time, when the Chinese president comes out here, you'll also do business with him.
Yeah.
So I think this is going to be, this is deft diplomacy.
Yeah.
And this is the way India should have played its diplomatic cards in the first place.
It should have. But what did the Congress party do? It just embarrassed people. You know, Sanjay Jha, I remember when there was the whole Chinese intrusion, your foreign minister said, no, it's just acne. Put an ointment and it will go away. Then he said, I'd love to live in Beijing. There was this whole weak, pusillanimous, compromising approach that you had to foreign policy. I mean, you must really regret, Sanjay Jha, that you didn't speak as straight as this government is doing, especially on China and Pakistan.
Arnab, the point that I would like to emphasize here is this is a bilateral visit to Japan by India's Prime Minister. The theme
that Manmohan Singh ever speak about Chinese expansionism?
You are talking about, you're using the term called muscular diplomacy. 1 minute. I hope the Prime Minister is aware that in diplomatic relationships, there's no such thing as mutually exclusive. A country likes to have good relations with all countries, to make sure that you grow in terms of trade and commerce.
Did your government ever speak about Chinese expansionism?
Cross-border relationship.
Did your government ever speak about Chinese expansionism?
I hope you are aware, Arnab.
No, would you concede
Arnab,
that? No,
since you're discussing a sensitive subject, I want to let you know.
Sanjay, my question to you is,
that there is a sensitive historical baggage between Japan and China.
Don't get into history. Speak about the present. Speak about the present.
The Japanese visit to use the word expansionism,
30 Chinese
has not been well received by China.
No, 30
we have to have a far-sighted foreign policy. Not based on some kind of a spontaneous effort to please the host country when you are making a foreign trip.
I get you.
I think these are things that have more strategic value and cannot be treated as a tactical weapon to try and comment on the East China Sea. I believe Mr. Modi uttering the word sea, the Samudra. Now we all know that there's a dispute between Japan and China on the East China Sea islands, and we know why since 2012. Now for a Prime Minister who's yet to strengthen relationships with China, other than the usual well-sounding talk about being strategic partners,
I really don't know answer,
whether you can call it a well-considered foreign policy statement.
That's a very one second. I see Sambit Patra's hand. No, Sanjay, 1 second, please. First of all, saying nothing can also be strategy. Doing nothing can also be strategy. Shaming the nation can be strategy. Calling an intrusion by People's Liberation Army troops and acne that requires ointment can be strategy. Right? Letting the country down vis-a-vis Pakistan can also be strategy. Is the strategy only to get a Nobel Prize for Manmohan Singh?
Well,
the Nobel Prize for doing nothing. 1 second. Sambit Patra responding on the debate now.
The cross-border violations going on right now.
This is one of the first debates on foreign policy on the news in the last couple of months. Yes, please, Mr. Patra.
Arnab, the Congress should stop opposing just for the sake of opposing. We had seen recently as to how Mr. Narendra Modi had gone to Nepal, had addressed the Nepal's Lok Sabha, and we had seen what kind of applause he had got in Nepal there. But ironically, though Prachanda of Nepal from the left party there was in favor of Narendra Modi, was praising Narendra Modi, Congress in India was opposing Narendra Modi. So I believe the Congress should don the nationalist dress over here and should stop opposing India's
Please
benefit.
answer the question.
In fact,
Stop making an election speech, Mr.
Sanjay, I
Patra.
would like to remind you of the fact that only 3 days ago you passed a resolution against India in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. You passed a resolution favoring Pakistan. This shows that you have a mentality
Arnab,
going
I think
in
he's
favor
making
of
some ridiculous
going in favor of
statements.
Pakistan and countries which in fact
you're
have relations
sounding
with
rabid,
India. So I believe you
intransigent
should
and
in fact look
irrational.
after India's interests.
I don't know what you're talking.
No, were you scared of China? No, I like to keep my questions as short as your answers are long.
I think.
No,
would you
what's
please
Sanjay,
stop
Sanjay,
Sambit
please, now don't
Patra from
interrupt
making
short
absurd,
questions.
atrocious
When
statements.
I ask a short question, allow me a short
Your
question
foreign
before your long
minister,
intervention.
Mr.
And
Salman Khurshid,
I
goes to
somehow,
Beijing and
Sushant
says
sir,
that I love Beijing, I want to settle here. This is the kind of foreign minister we had in this country.
Sambit, can we have a serious discussion, please?
Land.
no, what's not
Sambit,
serious?
have a serious and a grave discussion. Stop making rhetorical statements, please.
You won't
go ahead,
understand
Arnab, you were
grave
saying something.
discussion. Congress would not understand what is grave
Gentlemen,
diplomacy, so it is better
gentlemen,
you make
ceasefire,
the rhetoric,
please.
and we'll see to it that we
Ceasefire,
rebut you
please.
back.
I say Sushant Sareen. Tonight we are told diplomacy is a grave issue. Deal with things in a grave manner. These matters require a lot of experience and you don't do anything perhaps. My question is, Sushant, in your view, was the UPA government scared that no Prime Minister made a single trip to Nepal in 10 years? Were they scared we'll upset China? Did Manmohan Singh think, oh my God, if I go to Kathmandu, I'll really upset China? Or for that matter, Modi invited the Prime Minister of the Tibetan government in exile to his swearing-in ceremony. That's another snub to China.
No.
But we didn't see that kind of approach in the UPA
look,
government.
Let me just
Give me a
just
chance
make
to
a minor
rebut that.
correction. I wouldn't call what Mr. Modi is doing muscular diplomacy. I would just call it good, sensible diplomacy. And diplomacy
As opposed to
is
what?
that without having to fire a shot, you send messages, you send signals to a potential adversary, a partner, a competitor, whatever description you want to give to any country, you send them signals. Now, for example, take the case of China. When the Chinese suck up to the Pakistanis and they do it with blight disconcern for all of India's interests, India's concerns, at that point of time, we generally keep quiet. Now, this is a game two can play, and this is what we are telling the Chinese now. I think that is the kind of signaling which is happening. The Chinese, anybody who studied China even remotely knows that the Chinese are very sensible people. They also respect the strength in an adversary. That is something which knocks some sense into their head. If you roll over and play dead all the time, as I'm afraid you did when you say that intrusions are a minor acne and all those hackneyed phrases which we heard last time around, you give very, very negative signals to the Chinese, and they think that you are actually a pushover. So I think this is a kind of a course correction in Indian diplomacy. Also the way we have started connecting with our neighborhood and trying to pull them into a developmental story which is still to unfold. I think this is really great diplomacy, provided we carry it through. And this has been one of the problems in Indian diplomacy, that we generally start off rather well and then we tend to falter and fall back. So as long as that does not happen, I would say that full marks to Mr. Modi this time around.
No, that's all right. But are we getting carried away a bit? After all, Sambit Patra, it's good, it's
Yes,
nice.
we are.
You want to make.
Yes, we are.
No, one sec. Sambit Patra, there are two things here. Modi.
Please give me a chance to
I
rebut
will.
Mr. Sareen, please.
I will. I must say, you took full advantage of your first opportunity. You silenced everyone, not by the content of what you said, by the length of your answer. Now, Sanjay Jha, question is this: Sambit Patra must also answer this.
Let the viewers judge that.
Let the viewers judge
Sanjay
that. They
Jha,
judge
you did
everything.
nothing for
Okay,
diplomacy,
gentlemen,
so it's
now
better
please.
that you do not
Now
speak
please,
about it
Sambit
also on the
Patra.
television
Sambit
channel
Patra,
today.
you want to take
You
over
did
as the
nothing
anchor of the
about
program.
diplomacy.
Do that after I give up. Now, the question is here. Now, the Prime Minister takes a clear swipe at China on Japanese soil. Great. Great round of applause in India. But there have been, according to his government, 334 transgressions by PLA troops. What is the government response going to be to that provocation? You see, by talking about Chinese expansionism in Japan, you are making the Japanese very happy. But what are you doing for your own people? There are 334 transgressions by PLA troops on our soil. Right? And according to his home ministry, your home ministry is playing it down. Your home ministry says incursions along the border take place due to the difference of perception about boundary, which is not a line very different from that of a predecessor. You see, so your foreign policy is helping the Japanese. How is it helping the Indians?
Allow me. Arnab, can I speak now?
Yeah.
Arnab, even you would agree, as all the panelists over here in this discussion, for the first time, the government has shown that some kind of spine has
one second.
Diplomatic
Stop being in a self-congratulatory mood, Mr. Patra.
I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. Stop assuming that, Mr. Patra.
Why are you in a self-congratulatory frame of mind tonight?
And similarly, as far as China's inclusion is concerned, we have sent out stern message in that as well. We are not the kind of previous dispensation which went ahead to say it is just acne or a pimple in the cheek and we have to apply ointment.
So what are you going to do about it?
Damaging statement by the previous dispensation.
You made the Japanese happy. What are you going to do for us? You made the Japanese very happy. What are you going to do about it?
No, it's not a matter of we made the Japanese happy. In fact, we went ahead together, Japan and India, and today look at the type of investment Japan is making into India. 2 lakh.
Am I asking you a question about Japanese investment?
Humongous. I believe the kind of relationship India has embarked upon with Japan is itself phenomenal.
Did I ask you about Japanese investment? That was a poor attempt, Mr. Patra,
you asked about India and Japan relationship.
I asked you a question 3 times, you answered a different question. No. Even Sushant Sareen is smiling. I think you got yourself tied up completely in knots, sir. My question to you was, you take a clear swipe at China on Japanese soil back home. Your government, according to your government, there has not been a single intrusion by the People's Liberation Army personnel since 2010. So you make the Japanese happy. What do you do for us? I asked you a question 3 times. Sushant Sareen is coming in. I hope not for giving you covering fire tonight. I think Sushant Sareen wants to provide covering fire now. 1 second.
My answer is at least
Sushant Sareen. Sushant Sareen.
Mr. Patra is clueless. He has no answers.
No.
Mr. Patra is clueless. He has no answers as usual.
Arnab, look, you know why I say what Mr. Modi's speech, why I call it good diplomacy. He used the term expansionism. He didn't name any country. Now, it's a signal without, you've sent a signal without actually pointing fingers at anybody. The Chinese have taken it by saying that, look, and we aren't accusing the Chinese, because when we talk against expansionism, the thing is that even the Chinese talk against expansionism. It's a different matter that they might actually be practicing it by becoming far more assertive and making claims on territories which certainly are not theirs. So the thing is that what Mr. Modi has done this time around, he has played all sides to India's benefit. So the Japs like what he said, the Chinese are wary of what he said, both want to do business with him. India benefits at the end of the day. So I think that is why I say that this was good diplomacy. I don't believe that you should indulge in a mindless grandstanding on the diplomatic stage. I think that's counterproductive, and I think he's avoided that. So the way he has handled matters, he has affected a very fine balance between 2 countries with which we have strategic issues, strategic interests, and economic interests.
No, it makes Congress Party's diplomacy of 10 years, Sanjay Jha, look absolutely spineless. No, for whatever you may say, it makes your government's foreign policy look absolutely spineless. I mean, even when Yasin Malik was sitting there and he went and met Hafiz Saeed and he sat and had a meeting with him and he came back, it was so shocking to see minister after minister justify what Yasin Malik was doing, because you, Mr. Sanjay Jha, did not have the guts to stand up and say that this is unacceptable. You did not have the guts to say you cannot speak to a persona non grata. You have to speak to the elected government of India. No, you can shake your head, Mr. You willfully looked away.
Arnab, give me an opportunity to
sacrificed
answer.
national interest. You sacrificed a sense of self-pride.
You lost the opportunity, Sanjay.
And I really, Sanjay,
years.
I really don't understand why you did it. Now that Mr. Modi is making it look apparently pretty simple to speak your mind, everyone's asking you, why didn't you do that? Did Manmohan Singh want a Nobel Prize, or was there something else? What was it all about?
Well, let me answer your question, Arnab. I think Mr. Modi's flip-flop, wishy-washy stance on Pakistan is a disaster.
Flip-flop?
You know, the way,
What are
the
you talking
abrupt
about,
manner.
Sanjay?
1 minute. I think
Flip-flops
foreign
were seen in
diplomacy,
the
the very
UPA
fact that you're using the
dispensation, we
word
have no
muscular.
flip-flops. We have
1 minute.
stern messages.
Can I, Mr. Patra, please do not interrupt.
Don't
Arnab, the
misguide
very
the
fact that
nation.
you're using the
Don't-
word
don't
muscular
say
in
that Modi's government is doing
diplomacy has got an
flip-flops with
element
Pakistan.
of bullying
You
in it.
could not
And you
manage-
know,
you could
diplomacy is
not manage
never
Pakistan.
done
Who's he
between two
bullying?
partners.
One second, who's
Some
he bullying?
equals, some equals.
You are
unequal.
actually
With
saying
any
tonight
degree
the Congress
You are
party
spineless
spokesperson
government.
has
Can I
said tonight,
speak?
Sushant Sareen.
Can I speak
No,
without
you
Mr.
have to
Patra
clarify.
speaking?
You said bullying.
Can I
You did
speak
not.
without
No,
Mr.
you have to
Patra
clarify
speaking?
that, Mr.
Now,
I'm
Sanjay
making
Jha.
a statement
You said that the Narendra Modi
diplomacy
government is
between
bullying
countries-
Pakistan.
Can I
One second.
speak
You
without
said
an
the
interruption,
Narendra Modi
Arnab?
government is bullying Pakistan.
I'm
You said
making
the
a
Modi
statement.
government is bullying Pakistan.
I am saying
What an
that
unfortunate
the word
comment from you.
muscular, I'm
What an
saying, yes,
unfortunate comment
can I
from
make
you.
a statement?
No, why did you
Can
say
I
the
make a
Modi government
statement?
is bullying
Can I
Pakistan?
make a statement
Why did
that
you say
Mr.
the Modi
Atal,
government
1
is
minute.
bullying Pakistan?
Arnab, will you stop
You have
interrupting?
already
How are they
passed the
bullying and who
resolution.
are they
I'm
bullying?
making a
Me,
statement
so stop
here that
bullying us,
muscular
Sanjay Jha. You have
diplomacy
passed the resolution.
is a wrong
You have
term to
passed
use.
an
I think you should
anti-
stop
But who
using
are
that
they
term. It's
bullying, Mr.
inappropriate
Jha?
in any
Now, Mr.
diplomatic
Jha, I'm not going to let
parlance.
you get away with
Point
that
number
one.
2.
I'm not going to let you get away with that one.
Mr.
No,
Modi
Mr. Jha.
on Pakistan. I'm going
No,
to
Mr.
repeat it
Jha.
for your benefit.
Mr.
Mr.
Jha.
Modi's foreign policy on Pakistan is a monumental disaster. Because I would like to ask this question of Mr. Modi and the BJP government as to what is
say,
the
Sushant
preconditions
Sareen.
they need for a
Look,
diplomatic
No,
dialogue.
no, 1 second, 1 second, 1 minute, no, 1 minute. I first of all, I believe,
Sanjay Jha,
on his
better
visit to
keep-
Japan.
no, we have 5 minutes on
On
this
his
debate.
visit to
keep
Japan,
quiet,
No,
better
don't-
to keep
did Mr.
mum than to
Modi
speak
know?
useless
Did
things.
Mr. Modi
Jha,
know that it is
Mr.
imprudent
Jha,
and inappropriate in a
I'd say,
bilateral
Mr. Jha,
visit to try and make some kind of an expansionism statement that may not be, frankly speaking,
No,
productive in
no,
your
no,
relationship
no,
with
no,
China.
I think Mr.
And Mr.
Jha-
Patra should know, and you
Mr.
should
Jha,
know
Mr.
that
Jha.
during the time of the
Sanjay,
Dr.
you would not
Manmohan Singh
understand what
government,
diplomacy is.
trade
Your
with
government
Japan
did not
is over
understand for
30
10
billion,
long years, so I
with China
believe
is
you
over
should be
100
quiet and
billion.
listen to others
And if you
speak.
please
You know,
follow the
Mr.
foreign
Jha.
policy of the
1
UPA,
second, Sushant
we
Sareen, don't
maintained
go
an
away. 1 second,
extremely
Sushant
fine
Sareen, stay on,
balance
please.
between
No,
Europe,
Mr. Jha,
between
Mr. Sushant
Pakistan
Sareen,
and
stay on a
China.
minute.
We managed
No,
Sri
Mr.
Lanka.
Sushant, no,
we
1
managed
second,
a very
Now,
troubled
Sanjay Jha,
neighborhood,
please.
and we
I have to go.
ensured
Sanjay
that
Jha,
even
please.
in economic
Sanjay Jha,
matters,
please.
India
Sanjay Jha, minute,
developed
please.
vis-a-vis all the
Mr. Jha,
other trading
Sushant
blocs.
Sareen, 2 minutes.
Besides
1 second.
BRICS, of course.
A comment
So these are
made,
the hard
Sushant
facts,
Sareen.
Arnab.
A comment
Arnab,
made,
cannot-
Sushant
cannot
Sareen.
pick up a
1 second,
word and
Sushant
try and twist it
Sareen. He
here.
makes a comment there that the Modi government's foreign policy has an element of bullying in it. For me, that's a straightforward reference to Pakistan. The Congress says Modi is bullying Pakistan.
I
Your
think the
response.
word
1 second.
muscular,
Now, Sushant Sareen.
the word
Sushant
muscular
Sareen.
has got
Sushant
an
Sareen.
element
Look,
of bullying in it. It
frankly,
is inappropriate. You cannot do that. You
Sushant,
should not
look,
use
as
the
long as
term
it
muscular
serves
at
India's
all.
interest,
And if Mr.
where
Modi
you have to
believes
bully,
that
you
diplomacy
bully.
is about
Where you
trying
have to
to
kowtow, you
kind of
kowtow.
unilaterally
Where you
take
get
decisions
what you
now
want, you
without
get you what you
consulting
want.
other
That is what
political parties,
diplomacy
it
is all about.
inappropriate.
So whether it's bullying Pakistan or some other country, I don't care. As long as it gets me the results which maximize my country's interest, that's what is of interest to me. What description somebody puts to it, bullying, pusillanimous or whatever, that doesn't matter. So if he is bullying Pakistan and getting away with it, good for us. Or no, I don't need to
I
go
understand.
now.
Okay, thank you very much for staying on. 1 second. Sambit Patra, your response. First of all, before I let you in, Sambit, we have 2 minutes left on this debate. My question is, who is Modi bullying in the context of foreign policy? If you say that they're looking at it in terms of a muscular approach as an element of bullying, who is he bullying? Who are you concerned about the bullying part? Mr. Jha? Who is he bullying?
As rightly Sushant Sareen put in, whether it's a muscular...
Well, let me answer your question. I'm commenting on the semantics and the terminology that you're using. Let me finish here, Arnab. The point is diplomacy with China.
Sanjay,
India cannot be muscular with China or Japan or Sri Lanka or Pakistan. In diplomacy, you have to protect your interests, but at the same time, you have to calibrate your approach. You have to have a considered approach. I think if you look at the flip-flop, the Prime Minister calls the Pakistan Prime Minister for an oath-taking ceremony, then suddenly decides to cancel the Foreign Secretary talks
Okay, gentlemen,
on
I
an
think
issue
now
of
we won't agree.
leaders that Prime Minister Vajpayee had approved.
I think this...
Prime Minister Vajpayee had no objections to the Hurriyat leaders.
We are
meeting the Pakistan High Commissioner.
We are taking our first break on the news hour at this point. At this point,
now.
ladies and gentlemen,
My
we are
God.
taking our first break on the
my
news
God.
hour, and my question is this, I don't know about bullying, but I do know that Manmohan Singh, he could have visited Bhutan. He could have been more straightforward with China.
Muscles in their diplomacy? Why
He could have been more straightforward with Pakistan.
Well,
And
Arnab,
whether
please
or
find
not-
out the number of countries the Prime Minister went to and our External Affairs Minister
Well,
went to.
I think Bhutan and Nepal.
Look at the
I think
dynamics
Bhutan
that
and
we
Nepal are of
established under
strategic
UPA.
interest, and
I
your
think
government.
what you are having right now is a Prime Minister who is not consulting all political parties.
That question
and is
goes
very
to the news hour
unilateral
viewer
in his
tonight.
approach.
Can you
I think
blame
to
the
make
Prime
a
Minister for the
comment
comment he made on China, or do you think that
on East
statement
China
should have
Sea
been
is
made a
not-
long
not
time back?
relevant.
I thank you both for joining me on debate number 2.